Sandy, the owner of Smart Cookie, a thriving neighborhood bakery with a loyal clientele. Sandy and her staff just can't keep up with the growing demand for their treats. Smart Cookie has outgrown its original, outdated oven and desperately needs a new high-tech oven that will triple production and boost profits. Sandy doesn't have the $25,000 to purchase the new oven, but her friend told her about Fintegra. Sandy went to getfintegra.com, completed a short online application, uploaded a few documents, and answered a couple of questions from a friendly Fintegra representative. Within 24 hours, $30,000 was deposited into Smart Cookie's bank account. Sandy used Fintegra's funds to purchase the new oven and hire an additional baker. Smart Cookie's business has never been better. Happy customers, happy staff, and happy Sandy. Best of all, Sandy doesn't need to lift a finger to repay Fintegra's investment in her business. Fintegra automatically debits a small payment each business day from Smart Cookie's bank account. Another small business success story thanks to Fintegra.